What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. So y'all see I'm here representing, man. Shout out to the Volt Army. We drip down today. So I had to make this an exclusive update on what's going on with the Volt community. So first off, come join our private investment community on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. We got over 6,100 active investors over here that are all working together. We're learning and growing together as well. So come tap in with the community. Follow me on Twitter at December DeMarco, and let's get straight into this. So Volt Inu does not stop volting. It is going absolutely bonkers. We're going to look at some of the updates about the migration that's happening, some of the community updates, as well as the giveaways, and then we'll take a look at the chart for possibly a little technical analysis. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Now, we got giveaways after giveaways going out non-stop with the Volt community, so shout out to Vatoshi. Also, we got a couple updates, so I want to just get y'all in tune with everything that is going on. So Volt is absolutely voting, but yet we are still migrating. Probably nothing. So the migration has officially started. You have to come over. If you don't know how to migrate it, come tap in with the team on Telegram or message them on Twitter to get more information on that. But it is important that you do that ASAP, or else you'll end up having to wait possibly an entire month to do that migration to version 2. So Vote and race to get paid. Volt is here not only to reward the Volt Army, but also as many people and projects as possible. So Volt Inu rewards $28,000 to gamers. Hence let's open this up.
Welcome back to the channel. If you are
okay, we got a video here from Holistic Crypto. Shout out to Holistic Crypto. So we got a $1 price prediction in the future. That would be absolutely bonkers. So we'll have to dive into a little more if that is possible, but I'm interested in doing the math on that to see. So stay tuned if y'all want to know about that. Drop in the comments and let me know. So daily reminder that the Volt version 1 to version 2 migration is live. If you didn't migrate yet, follow the below tutorial or join voice chat on Telegram if you have any issues. So for all y'all that have been writing in the private investment community on Facebook about your tokens, just go over to the Telegram and the team will assist you in getting migrated. So trust me, you don't have anything to worry about. Just make sure you do this ASAP though. So follow the tutorial here. So the number one version, the Volt version 1 to version 2 migration is now available on the Everrise decentralized app. The main migration will last 1 week. After that, you may have to wait up to a month to receive your version 2 tokens. The migration tutorial can be found below. So matter of fact, on my Twitter page, that's why you should be following me on Twitter. Here's the migration tutorial. Can't spell tutorial. Okay, so here's that. I'll retweet that for y'all, so that way y'all can go check that out. That way you'll see it's the first post on my Twitter page if you need instructions on how to do that. So Volt version 2 is coming, but you're right, at Coinbase probably nothing. So pay attention, potential Coinbase partnership possibly in the pipeline. We'll keep our eyes on that. Also, only 2 nights left to take some rest. After that, the voltage will be at all-time high. And I'll show y'all why I believe this is absolutely possible. There's not, too many things standing in the way of an all-time high from Volt right now. So 40,000 followers. We officially crossed that line right there, that threshold. Time for a giveaway. 600 to 3 people, 200 each in 24 hours. So rules, follow us, like and retweet this tweet, comment with something you like about Volt. The team does not stop giving back value to the community, and that's one of the things that I love most about this project, that they always keep their holders in mind. They're always keeping them engaged. They're always giving back to not only just the holders, but the community as well. So stay tuned. We also have something coming up in the pipeline with me and Volt, very, very special. You want to make sure you are tapped in for that. It's something very different that nobody else is doing in this space. So stay tuned for that. But hey folks, Block Talks will hold an AMA with Volt Inu Official on April 17th at 3 p.m. UTC time in Block Talk discussion. So follow Block Talks Let's give them a follow. And then Vote Inu Official. Make sure y'all follow them. So like, retweet, and comment your question below. Please don't tag anyone in your question. Maximum 2 questions each per person. So let's take a look at some of the questions we got down here. If you have questions for this AMA, drop them in the comment section of this video. We might be able to get it over to the team. So vote is amazing. Up to you. Okay, so just a lot of community support. I knew staking wasn't planned with version 1. Is staking/farming will be considered on version 2? It's a good question. If the price on version 2 will be the same on both chains, meaning same market cap since they are the same supply, what will make people continue to buy on Uniswap aside from strong presence of liquidity on ETH? So good question right there. So someone else says, I already migrated. Can I still buy more and do another migration? Good question. Okay. Possible listing on Binance or Coinbase this year? Good question. Do you allow suggestions and feedback from the community? Are we allowed in the discussion making? Do you put the community into consideration? So we see them doing that here with this post that they made right here by asking, you know, the community to leave their comments in the comment section. So let's see what else we got. Although the Volt Army loves the @JPunks NFT, don't be a dinosaur. The dinosaurs didn't buy Volt and they all died. Don't be like the dinosaurs. So you had an opportunity to make a nice bag if you've been following me and you got in Volt since the first time I told y'all about it. Even after that, you have several opportunities to check this project out. Remember, none of this is financial advice, but I'm trying to, you know, put y'all up on plays that I think have a lot of potential. And this is one of those plays that I think will be a diamond for 2022. So Volt Army doesn't fear the change. We voted. Guess what will happen when the train leaves the station? So here's a retweet from somebody. Constant upward pressure. Seems to me the sellers got exhausted. Probably nothing. During migration, what other token does that? Please tell me. Buy now or cry later. You've been warned. Look at this. Absolutely bullish. This is one of the best charts that we're seeing right now, you know, especially with the migration happening. So here's another tweet from Volt. And yet, most of the people were bearish and scared of the migration. The Volt rocket is just getting ready to leave the launch pad. So you get a chance right now to, you know, buy it on this dip. We'll take a look at the charts in 1 second. So everything will be all right. So we got some large buys about to come in. That's what I'm going to say. You know, you got to connect the dots here. You know, just take this information and, you know, use it to your benefit. Do what you like with it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's the 28th. Here are our 28th 2 winners. Congratulations. So this is happening over and over again. They're constantly picking, you know, new community members to win different prizes and, you know, actual ETH too, you know, so it's not, you know, just tokens. It's money that you can use right now and spend. So that's what I like to see. Let's see what else we have here before we take a look at these charts. So Apollo 16th was sent to the moon on April 16th, 1972. Shiba Inu started SHIB on April 16th, 2021. Volt version 2 will go live April 16th, 2022. So we're also joining the lines, or, you know, the ranks of history right here with launching this version 2 April 16th. So that is the date, y'all. So the Volt version 1 to version 2 migration is now available on the Everrise app. The main migration will last 1 week. After that, you may have to wait up to 1 month to receive your version 2 token. So make sure you get in here, y'all. Make sure y'all follow them. Check the description section. Come join the Telegram as well to get all the information you need. Now let's take a look at this chart real quick. So we are currently, you know, overall from, you know, March, we're still in this downtrend. But if we look in a smaller time frame from around the beginning of April here, around what is this, March 31st. So right from March 31st, ever since then, we've been in an uptrend. Notice how the trend is continuously moving up. So it's looking really bullish right now for Volt. We only have a few different lines of resistance. So see where we are here at this 43 level right now. The next resistance that we have is at that 46 level. Then I say about approximately around that 48 and a half level, and then we go to the 54s, and then after that 54 level, It's not too much traffic. We might get caught right there at the 6s because psychological barrier, but we might also just blast straight through that, and I believe we'll be seeing the all-time high right after that. So you know, this is looking still very early if you haven't had a chance to get in. Now what is the price? Looking like we're on the 4-hour chart. So right now it is absolutely bullish. We might see some steam pull off, just a slight correction. Let's see where we could possibly find support. Possibly at that, depending on where we pull back to. So we could pull back to that 41 to 40 level potentially. And if it goes even lower, we got the next support level at that 39.41 level. But I'm not too worried, you know. It's getting to the point where you know, it's not financial advice, but you almost can make as much money as you want to make with this project, you know, in the long term, with the way that the team is, you know, putting things together and constantly, you know, they're doing what they say they're gonna do. This is what we like to see. So you notice how we hit this low area here of support. Now it could have fell down this range and never recovered, but the fact that we see it constantly recover, moving along this upwards trend line is a very good sign. So I'm rocking with the project. Hopefully y'all get to check it out if y'all haven't already. But let me know what y'all think about Volt. If you haven't bought Volt yet, let me know why. Also, if you have got in, let me know some of your favorite things about the project so far. And that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.